So hi everyone, this is our demo of prototype for our student management system designed in Figma. This system is intended for three primary users: student, professors, and academic advisors. These are developed on based of our personas in works of five. So here our goal is to create a centralized platform that simplifies course management, academic tracking, financial administration, and transfer services, all in a clean and user-friendly interface. So going right into the prototype, first we see a student view. So when we see a student view, the first we come across this login page. So this is the login page for students. Here the student clicks his email, his password, and then after we click on submit, we come to this page. So this is like a general overview page or the dashboard for the student. Here the students can see their program completion rate. So this student has completed 60% his program, and it also shows the number of credit completed. Here they have completed 45 out of 72 credits for them to graduate, and it also shows their expected graduation date. Up here it's the overall search, like they can search their finance or anything and it will show the result. And this is any important notifications from the college side or the any important email on their school account, and they will get the notifications here. Also we have this portion shows the number of enrolled courses of the students in this semester, also the number of credits they are taking in this semester, and their current GPA, which is the CGPA. Down here it also shows the next important academic date. So for this student, the next important academic date is March 15, 2025, when he or she will get his midterm results. Now in the courses we have two columns. This is the current courses, so this shows the courses which our students are enrolled in the current semester. It also shows the status, which is like in progress. Here the number of courses that the student has completed and the grades they have achieved is shown here. If you click each courses, it will show in detail, but we couldn't implement that. And when you go to financial, it shows the tuition fee that the student has, any tuition fee that is due at this for the student at this moment in this semester. So this student doesn't have any tuition fee due. It also shows the receipts of the tuition in the detailed statements. So for this semester the tuition fee was 10,200 and the recreational fee lab fee was this, but he has paid all this. When we click on view previous statement, it will also show student the previous statements in detail. When you go to scholarship, the system automatically decides the number of scholarship student is eligible for based on its academic performance, and based on that he will have to start an application for each specific application, for each specific scholarship. And for each specific scholarship there will be a particular questions related to that, where the students has to demonstrate not only academic excellence but their overall activities. When you go to documents, every student's document would be here, like their high school transcript, recommendation letter, any extracurricular activities, and all the documents they used for their application in the college. They can also request unofficial transcripts as well as official transcript from the registrar using this portal. So after this the student will be mailed their official or unofficial transcript. Here's the transfer credit option. So transfer credit option here, this is for the student to transfer from their program to another. So to transfer there, here the students will select a program based on the, like, which program they want to transfer within the college, and they will select the credit. And this here it will show the list of credit they can transfer to that program, so they don't have to study the same subjects again. Going to my details, so this is the overall detail of the students. They will have the profile picture here, they will have the name, their ID, their address, emergency contact, and etc. Now when we log out, so now going into the professor view, when we click on the professor, it's the same interface again. Here the professor will enter their email, their password, and click on submit. So here the first thing is professor can search student by their name, ID, program, or age. So even if professor has any one criteria, she or he will be able to search for students and see their details. This is the courses section. Here the professor will be able to see the courses they are delivering this semester. And when we click on more here, so when you click on enroll student in each courses, this will show the the number of enrolled student in that courses. And when we click on students, it will also show their progress tracker. Suppose we clicked on one student, which is John Cena, it will show their um, progress, like the student number, CGPA, course grade, and how much they have, the courses they have taken. And when they go to the gradebook option, here the professor can grade the students for in a particular course for different assignments. So this is a student one, she can view his her assignment and she can grade her. She can also download CSV file for bulk marking and upload the CSV file and save grades. When we go to my details, this is the professor detail here, so she will have every detail stored here. So it's similar interface to the students, just the features are different and the access level is different. Now when we log out and when we go to the advisor, is a similar interface again, and we click submit. So here the student advisor will have direct access to the student database. She can search students by their name, ID, program, or age, and she can view their data. She can also search students by their program and see which students are enrolled in which program, or how many students are enrolled in a particular program. Then going to student details, if a student is found, she can see the complete detail of students, including academic details and financials as well. So she can also view their academic transcripts, awards, and everything. She can also view a student, particular student documents. So when she searches a student and the student is found, she can view all the application documents like high school transcript, offer letter, study permit, recommendation letter, and everything. Now when going to student finance, as I said earlier, advisor will also have access to students financial details. So when she search students, she can see their detailed financial details, and for this semester as well as the previous semesters. Now transcript request, students will send the transcript request through their portal and the advisor will get it. And when the advisor gets it, she will open the request, she will see the academic standings of the students, and she will generate transcript. And after generating, this transcript will directly be sent to the student's email for their use. Now for transfer request, similar as transcript request, student will send a transfer request to the advisors. So advisors will see like what is the student's academic standings, which program they want to transfer, and every detail related to the transfer. And she will have the option to contact program coordinator as well regarding the transfer, and it will be in her hand to either accept the transfer and transfer the student into another program, or refuse the transfer if the student isn't eligible. And as every interface, here we'll have the student advisors full details. And yeah, that's it. So when we log out, we again come back to this page, and again the student professor advisor can log into their respective portals. So yeah, that was our assignment. That was my assignment for workshop 10. And yeah, so that's it.